students, good evening. I hope you can hear my voice, and I'd like to welcome everybody here. Youssef Jaidi, Tronc commun lettre 2, Amel Shahab. Please, you write your classes. Okay? ما تنساوش les classes ديالكم باش نعرفكم. Okay, now we begin with كيف ما كتشوفوا في الفوق ادغوات كاين كل قسم جروب اللي نبداو معاهم التصحيح. اوكي اوكي دونك نبداو دابا ب tronc commun, common core, science, no, not science, common core, arts 2, group 1 يعني أدب رقم 2. okay. So let's begin with exercise number 1. What does exercise number 1 say? Match questions with answers. Match questions with answers. Donc, نبغيكم كاملين تحاولوا تشاركوا في l'exercice. Surtout les... En tous les cas, il y a les élèves de la classe, tronc commun, lettres, groupe 2, ou les autres, ماشي مشكل, ok? Alright, so match questions with answers. Number 1, how often do you visit Mrs. Rahma? How much flour is in the bag? And how many cars are in the garage? Can you give me the answers? On va dire les réponses ensemble. Let's go. Vous répondrez في live chat net. Ok, après la réponse غنديرها لكم في l'écran inchallah. So what do you think? Idrisi says number 1 is D. Twice a month. How often? Yes, very good, because we have how often. Here we ask about frequency adverbs. Very good, Iman. D. Okay. Iyun you say B. It's not B only a little, but how often? We say twice a month. And what is twice? It means 2 times. 2 times. Alright, what about number 2? How much flour is in the bag? Good, Omar. Good, Sarah. Now let's move to number 2. How much flour is in the bag? Not 150 dirhams. Think again. Number 2 is not A. If you think it's A, how much is the flour? How much does the flour cost? But here, how much flour is in the bag? We don't ask for... yes, very good, Berkani. We don't, Omar Berkani. We don't ask for price. We ask for quantity. Okay? So the right answer is only a little. Juste un peu. okay, and how much. C'est vrai كتعني le prix, on demande le prix, mais aussi et surtout la quantité في ال uncountable nouns. Okay, when we ask about quantity for uncountable nouns, we use how much. For example, how much water is in the bottle? How much water is in the bottle? A little, okay, some, plenty of, etc. And we have how many. Ask about number. How many cars are in the garage? What about number 3? Three F, amen. 3, about 15 minutes. Think again. Very good, Hiba. Hiba. There are many. There are many. يعني هنالك العديد. كم عدد السيارات في garage? There are many. هنالك العديد. Gamer, very good. There are many. So it's E. Sorry. There are many. Okay. Now we move on. Donc here, one good answer, you have 0.5. Okay, 0.5 for a good answer, and it's out of 1.5 points. Okay, exercise number B, or exercise B. Classify the following words in the table. Okay, let's do it. Yes, Badr Munir. So, cauliflower vegetables. What else do you think? Yes, Hamsafa, school, object, scissors, sharpeners, tape. Good. Excellent. Soda in drinks. Good, Hiba. Good, Yusuf. Cauliflower vegetables. You continue. Safa, vegetables, flour, cauliflower, onion, and potatoes. Very good. Exe, BR9. Yes, Dunia Lab. Vegetables, good. Soda drinks, potatoes. Drink soda, juice, Safa, very good. Juice and water. Excellent. Good job. Good, Safi, excellent. Okay, so here you have also 0.5 for right column. Okay. Good, Safi, Idrisi, Ashraf, very good. Good. Alright, let's move to C. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words from the list. Very good. No, very good, Zainab and Shayma. How many boys? واش نقولوا how much? How many with countable? How much with uncountable? Mhm. Continue. Adam is brilliant. Shayma Idrisi. Number two, often. You mean number one, often? No, number one is many. Yes, good. Hasna Tawil, number two, excellent. Listen, in number two, to write excellent, we need he is. He is excellent, but we don't have he is. So very good, Hiba and Gamer. It's he excels. What is excels? He is excellent. And number three. We can't say he excellent. He is excellent. But here we don't have he is, so he excels. Hiba, you say at. Ayman, you say at. Lunch at noon. Very good. At noon, because at is time. Because because noon is time. Noon is 12 p.m. That's why we need to use ats. Is it clear? Good. Okay, let's move to exercise D. It's on. Number three, it's not on, it's at. Sorry, it's at. Okay, because it's time. Alright, put the verbs between brackets in the simple present. I give you 3 minutes to do this exercise. Alright, let's see. Okay, Badr Munir says number one, goes lives. Okay, lives, you are right, he lives. Yes, but here, not goes, we have negative. What's the negative of he goes? The negative of he goes is but ماشي don't go. شكون الإجابة صحيحة؟ Don't go. Kamel, don't go. Safa, you are right. Hamsafa doesn't go. Okay? Very good, Hiba. Kamel doesn't go, he lives. Because it's a negative. Okay? Right. ماشي مشكلة أشرف صافي. It's okay. Okay, number two. I like football, but I don't like. Good شيماء إدريسي. I like football, but I don't play any matches. Okay. Number three. I don't find the number three in the live chat. So what about three? Muhsin? We have frequency adverb and the verb. Very good, Shema Idrisi. Never sits. Because Muhsin, he never sits. Okay? Good, Hiba. Good, Shema. And finally, déjà tu la réponse. Hamsafa, how often do you study? Yes, very good. Do you study? لها كاين that's why we have two gaps. يعني خصنا do you. Okay? Plus the verb. Is it clear? Very good. دونك هنا نكونوا انتهينا مع الجروب نمبر 1 في هاد لا كلاس وغنمشيو we go to another group. It's same class but group 2 common core اللي حددتو مع راح حطيت لكم لي كلاس الفوق ادغوات. Now it's common core R2 group 2's turn. Yes, Dunya Ghadab, very good. Never sits. Good. Okay. Group number 2. Same exercise. Match questions with answers. Number 1. How often do you visit your aunt? Yes, Shema Idrisi. Okay. So what do you think of the answer? How often do you... 1D. Twice a week. Good, Badr Munir. Twice a week. 2 times. Okay. And now number 2. How long is the trip to Mecca? Good, Blue Wolf. Hiba Hiba. Welcome back, Blue Wolf. Kareem, you're right. You're really, we're talking now about number two. How long is the trip to Mecca? About 7 hours by plane, of course. 7 hours. Good, Ashraf. Number three, how many tables are in class? 1D. Okay, and 3B. Yes, very good, Ashraf. And Hiba, very good. Only 15 ones, only 15 tables. Good, excellent. Good, Safa. Yes, BR9, excellent. Okay, classify the following words in the table: school subjects, meat and fish. So what do you think? Take 1 minute to think about it. Okay, let's see. Let's see your answers. Hasna Twail, pencil, ruler, scissors. Yes, scissors, objects. You're right. Hiba, sardines, fish. Solomon. Okay. So beef in meats, Solomon in fish. Pencil, scissors, ruler. Chicken and lamb. Yes, you're right. Very good, guys. Very, etc. Good. We move on to exercise C. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words. Yes. Okay, Dunya Lab. Yes. Good. Safa. Very nice. Now let's do exercise C. I give you 1 minute. Yes, good Hasna, Badr, and Shema. How many boys study in your class? Good. What about number 2? Shema. At the weekends, I usually go to my aunt's. And number 3? Very good. Good Taha, good Barq. Right, and number 3, but boy takes. Let me see, because he takes all the tests. Yes, Shema Idrisi, he passes, which means he has good scores. The opposite of fail. To pass is the opposite of a fail. So he passes. Let's move to verbs. Put the verbs between brackets in the simple present. I give you 2 minutes to do it. Take 2 minutes. Alright, let's correct now. I have some answers. Let me see. Everybody says passes, passes. Okay, it's passes. Okay. And Shema Idrisi, number 1 doesn't works. Miss Latifa doesn't. It's no, we can't say doesn't. To be. It's to be. We don't say doesn't be. What do we say? To be. What is to be? What is to be? I am, you are, he is. Negative, I am not, you are not, he is not. Yashimi Idrisi. Miss Latifa isn't. Because she works today. Miss Latifa isn't home. Because she works today. She is at work. Okay? She's in her workplace. So Hasna Tawil. Number 2, my cousins, not my cousin. So it's not doesn't. Can you correct? Yes, ينبل. Don't, but don't likes, not likes. Don't like watching football, but prefer. They prefer. Yes, good Dunya Ghalab. Don't like. Prefer, not perfect. Prefer. Okay. What about 3? عصام. Good brother. Yes, isn't. نرجع لكم ليلة. قد ديروا بالكم واش نتوما لايف ولا شوية ولا راجعين شوية اللور. حدوا مع لا التراك ديال الفيديو ديالكم. شوفوا واش نتوما لايف ولا راجعين شوية اللور باش تمشيو معنا في نفس الوقت. So Ashraf, don't like but prefer. 3 Isam, never. We don't say nevers. No. Never is a frequency adverb. We don't use it's not a verb. But go is a verb. So here we put es. Okay? Yes, Badr and Twel. Never goes. Good Badr. Sahib and Munir. Yes, never go straight. Okay, what about 4? Yes, Badr Munir, how often is Miriam studies? Yes, Blue Wolf. Does Miriam study? How often does Miriam study English at school? How often do you study English at school? Okay, then Miriam, she. So how often does Miriam study English at school? Okay. Now we move to a different class. Now it's Common Core Science Group. Common Core Science 5, Group 1. Okay. So exercise A, match questions with the answers. Match, use the arrow. So what do you think? Yes, Miriam, Taki. So here we have 3 questions. Number 1, how much coffee? 2, how long does a handball match game last? And then number 3, how often does Anas come to class? So Shimei Idrisi, number 1, D. Only some, very good. Good Hasna. Number 2, just 16 minutes. Yes, you're right. And Barak, 3A, how often does Anas? Every day, very good. You're right. So DFA. You're welcome, Ghlab. Yes, not 12. Yes, you're right. Number 2 is F. We talk about duration of time. Excellent job. All right, now let's move to exercise B. Fill in the table with the following vocabulary words. Let's classify them. I give you 1 minute to do it. Okay, let's see. Bark, ruler, rubber, pencil. Good. Mariam Deki, school object, ruler, pencil. Very nice. Badr, ruler, tuna, fish. Good, Badr. Badr Munir, school object, ruler, rubber, pencil. Taha, yet, ruler. Good. So school objects, we have ruler, as you said. A rubber. We use a rubber to erase what you write with your pencil, right? Okay, let me see. So, yes, Selma. Dunya Ghalab, ruler, so subject, beef, fish. Beef is not fish. Beef is meat. Okay? Meat, we have beef, lamb, and chicken. Sorry. Yes, bark and pencil school object. Good. Fish, we've got tuna, shark, and sardines. You know shark. Yes, beef, lamb, chicken. So shark is a predator. It's a dangerous fish. Qirsh. Okay? Okay, exercise C. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words from this list. What do you think? No problem. Yes, Dunya. Very good. So what do you think of 3 sentences, 3 gaps? Yes, good, Munir. An orange. Yes, bad boy. Number 2, in the bottle. Bouteille, okay. And number 3, bad boy. Not in the weekend. What do you think of 3? What do you think of number 3? No, Dunya, number 1 is N, because orange starts with a O. It's a vowel. We can say orange. We need a link here. Yes, Shema Idrisi. At the weekends or on the weekend. Where we on is not among the choices. Good. Let's move to exercise D. Put the verbs between brackets in the simple present. Okay. I give you 1 minute to think about it. Okay, let's see. But boy says are very good. Leila and Riham are Moroccan, but they don't live. Good. Don't live or do not live, as you like. Yes, bad boy. Listen, Hiba. We have plural. They. They don't live. Yes, Bark. Okay. Not doesn't lives. Live. Hiba, we don't. When we say doesn't Hiba, we don't say lives. Doesn't live. He doesn't live. She doesn't live. Okay. But here we have they. They don't live. Good. So Shema Idrisi and who else? Bad boy. I love football, but I don't play it. Okay. Good, brother. Do go. When do Karim, Adil and Karim go to school? Good, good bad boy. You're right. Please, you write your name, bad boy, so that I know who is speaking. What about 3? Sometimes help. Yes, Hasna, very good. Love, don't play. Yes. Chinese name, or it's not Chinese, it's maybe Indian, I'm not sure. So Jamal sometimes helps. Sometimes. No, not helps sometimes, Shema. Jamal sometimes helps his father at work. Is it fine? Okay, now we move to group number 2. Common Core Science 5, group 2. exercise 1. Welcome, Mariam Daki. So, Badr, 1D. How often does Amin go to school? Every day. Good, Badr, Amin. Not B, Badr Sahib. It costs. That's we ask for price. Yes, Badr. Very good. Yes, but ماشي مشكل. No need to delete. Yes, Hasna. What about 2 and 3? Badr Munir, C. 2C. How many brothers and sisters do you have? Yes, only 2 brothers. Good, Hasna and Blue Wolf. Blue Wolf, you write your name, please, so that I can recognize you. How much bread is left? Good, Hiba. Badr. How much bread is left? Yes, Hiba. Jihan. Yes, Jihan. Hello. So number 2 is C. You're right. Marwa Hamouchi. Yes, welcome Marwan. Number 1 is D. Yes. Hiba Larbi. 2C. And Badr Munir. 3F. Is it F? It's not how long. Dunya Ghalab. 3E. Yes, very good. 3E. How much bread is left? Only a little. As I explained earlier in this live, how much has 2 meaning. How much the price? How much is bread? You say it costs 5 dirhams, 10 dirhams. How much is? But how much bread is in the bag, is left, is in the fridge, or I don't know, in the kitchen. Here we ask about quantity. So how much bread is left? Only a little. Only a little. So 3, how much is not for price, it's about quantity, especially uncountable nouns. Okay? How much water is in the bottle? Only a little, only some, okay? Or there is plenty of water in the bottle, okay? So only a little. This is the answer. 3E. Yes, Badr. Okay, let's move to exercise 3. Classify the following words in the table. Take 1 minute. Yes, I got good answers from different students. So Miriam Daki, school object, rubber, crayon. And sharpener. Spices, salt, cumin, pepper. Drinks, water, juice, and soda, which means lemonade. Good, Hiba. Good, everyone. Okay, exercise C. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words. Take 1 minute. Okay, then. You have given me good answers. Number one is how often is this? Sorry, much? How much is this phone? Here we ask about price. Yes, Taha. Here in winter, because in is always followed by season. Okay. Number three. Yes, Hiba. Very good. And Shema. Bread. I take my lunch to school. Bread and a tin of sardines. Okay. We move to last exercise for this group. Fill in the blanks or put the verbs between brackets and write in the simple present. Alright, take 2 minutes. Okay, let's correct. So Samia is Moroccan, but she doesn't speak. No S, because we have S in doesn't. My favorite sport isn't football, but I prefer watching some matches. Yes, so what about number two? Why do you keep on saying goes? We have Walid, usually the verb drink, tea in the morning. So what's about this one? Usually and drink. Yes, very good. Walid usually drinks because Walid he. And yes, Badr, does Karim go? Uh, Bark Exe, Samia is Moroccan, but she doesn't speak Arabic. Not she not speaks. She does not speak Arabic. Does not short or full form. Short form is doesn't. And last one, how often does Kamal go to work? How often does Kamal go to work? Okay, now we move to class number 6, Common Core class 6, group 1. Are you ready? So let's begin with exercise A, match questions with the answers. So what do you think of number 1, 2, and 3? 1, how often, how long, duration of time, and how many number of books that you have. Take 1 minute, then we correct. Okay, let's correct. You're right. Number one is, how often do you go to Mecca? Does Ramzi go to Mecca? Every year. Okay. Every year he goes to Mecca every year. Yes, معتز غلاب. Yes, معتز. 1D دنيا غلاب. 2B. Is it true? How long? Not how much. 2F. مريم داكي. داكي. How long? About 30 minutes. Yes. And number 3. Yes, Omar, very good. Seham bin Mouini, 2F, not 2B, 2F. Yes, Marwa, yes, Hamoshi Marwa. Nice to see you participating. How many books do you have? So what do you think of number 3? Leon, it's impossible. How many books do you have? Every year? No. D is for 1. How often does Ramzi go to Mecca? 3E, only a little. We use, Omar, we use little with the uncountable nouns. For example, I have a little water, okay, a little cheese, I speak a little English. How many books, not how much are the books. I still can't see correct answer. It says it's not 3B. How many books do you have? I've got plenty, which means a lot of. Okay, it's A. Plenty is a lot of, big number of books, a lot of books, many books. This is plenty of books. Okay, let's move to exercise B. Classify the following words in the table: school facilities, fruits, and drink. Take 1 minute. Okay, let's correct. So good, Omar. Mu'taz. School facilities, yard, classes, administration. Miriam Daki, fruit, mango, grapes. Alright. Hajar, Rabus. Okay. So school facilities, you're right. Yards, like schoolyard. Classes. Administration. Mango, grapes, pear, water, juice, soda. Good, now. Good, everyone. Okay. With the right word from the list, of course. Okay, I can see good answers. Like number 2, Hiba and Maryam. You're right. Leila goes to school by herself. Okay. Uh, okay. Yes, Hiba, very good. Every morning I drink a carton of milk, not a jar. And finally, I have a nice copybook. I keep a vocabulary list in what? Him, it, or he. Which means I keep a vocabulary list in the copybook. In the copybook. So is it him, it, or he? What do you think? But the him is for a person. Person. You say, for example, Badr is my friend. I always help him. He is a friend. Yes, Ashraf. But a copybook, I keep a vocabulary list in it. In it, the copybook, because it's an object. It, we use it with objects. All right. Good, Ashraf. Alright, exercise D, put the verbs between brackets in the simple present. So take 2 minutes to do it, then I'll come back to you. Okay, let's correct. Latifa is Moroccan, but she doesn't speak. No S. Wait a second, Sarah Nora. Hang on. Never to my favorite sport is football, but I don't prefer playing it. Karim usually drinks. Usually drinks. Number 4. How often does Rashid pray in the mosque? She doesn't speak. Yes, very good. Okay. Now we move to group number 2, Common Core 6. Okay. Have the same, almost the same questions. How often do you visit NS? How long do you need to get to school? And how many apples are on the table? Good. Bow. It's D. Once a week. What about the rest? Yes, good brother. Mariam, 2F. Yes, very good. About 15 minutes. And number 3. Yes, Marwa, F. Yes, Hasna, F. So, number 3. 3A. It's not how much are the apples. How many apples are on the table? Yes, very good, غلب. How many apples are on the table? There are many. هنالك العديد. هنالك الكثير. There are many. It's E. Exercise B. Classify the following words in the table. Same thing. Salma 3A. No, 3E. Yes, Amal. So we have cauliflower. Are you sure tomatoes? Vegetables? Carrots, yes. Yes, Amal. Orange and mango. Oh, yes, Miriam. Onion, but not tomato. So spices, cumin, salt. Yes, very good, Amal. A tomato is fruit. We don't have drinks here, Dunya Ghalab. Spices. Pepper is the missing word. Pepper is the missing word. Okay, exercise C. Fill in the blanks with appropriate quantifiers. Yes, Sarah Nora. Now, focus on exercise C. Yes, Amal. Where is your friend from? Good butter. Number 2, Amal. On Sunday. And number 3? Good, Miriam. Good butter, yes. What about 3? Good, Hiba. Excels. And the last exercise for tonight, of course, this is the last group we are going to correct. Put the verb between brackets in the present simple. حسنا الطويل. Number 2 is not at, it's on Sunday. We use at with time. At 5, at 6, at midnight, at midday, at noon. Okay? Okay, take 2 minutes to do this exercise. Let's see. Uh, Hiba isn't, he works. So Mr. Qadiri isn't or is not home because he works today. Uh, Number 3, Hiba. Never go. Yes, never go because you have Adil and Yunus. So not only Yunus. If we had Yunus, it would be never goes. But here we have Adil and Yunus. And number 4. Number 4. Hiba. How often do you study? Good. English at school. What about 2? I didn't see 2. Yes, Emma, don't like. Yes, because we have students, not students. As students. Students don't like school, but they yes, Dunya Ghalab. Don't like, but they love their teachers. They love their teachers. Okay, that's it for tonight. Okay, now what I'm asking you is you follow me on live chat. Okay, I will give you the number, the name of the class, and you give me students who belong to that class. انا اعطيكم الاسم ديال القسم. اوكي، نتوما عطيوني الاسماء ديال هذاك القسم باش نعطيكم لي نوت ديالكم. اوكي، دونك ناو غتبعوني في الشات. Let's go.
Yo voy a cantar esta canción, yo voy a cantar esta canción para mi gente. Con una pasión tan fuerte. Ay, 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 ay. Ahora sigo cantando y sigo gozando. Yo sigo cantando y sigo gozando.